Hey guys, it's just a quick tip to know how we can move or relocate some record conveniently in Excel. Here I have received a regional sales data file to create a simple dashboard. Well, while working on it, I found that some records were not aligned even though the figures were right, but they were not in their proper places. Here you can see that the retail category data column on the west sheet is not in its proper place. And exactly the same way, the lamps data row is also not in the right row. On the east sheet, here you can see that the retail category is on the first column and the product lamps data is on the third row. Exactly the same way on the Midwest and South sheet. The retail category data is on the third column on the West sheet, which should not be. And on the North sheet, the product lamps data is also not in the right row. Now, to move or relocate the data, what we normally do is to insert cells and then move the data. I'm undoing all that and moving the data where I want to, but it will ask me to replace the existing data which I don't want. The better way of moving or relocating the data is to just select the data, press the Shift key on your keyboard and simply drag and drop it where you want to within the data. And exactly the same way for the column 2. Just select the data, press the Shift key on your keyboard and drag and drop it where you want to. Now all the data has properly been placed. And it's giving me an accurate picture of the sales and units data on the dashboard. And I hope this tip will be helpful for someone out there, and thanks for watching.